this is what allows people to be motivated. So just having this, you have these stats. They're these stats that just, keep you engaged and motivated to also like work out. And in another stream, we can look at, what it looks like, when you compare yourself to someone else that's on heavy, and it sort of breaks it down with the people that you follow, the people that you're friends with, and you can actually see like, okay, how do you rank with everyone else? So it'd be a nice thing, just like, competitive thing to do, just to have, a community of people that you kind of just train together with. And you don't have to be in the same place, but you can just motivate each other just by seeing each other's stats, and you can like, comment, and yeah, just follow maybe the same plan and see what happens, right? So this is the heavy program. I hope this has been very helpful in terms of just seeing how you can create your own plans. And if you need a template for this, like, I'm ready to give you a template that you can follow, and you can just watch the video again just to see how can you actually build your own your own program. And once you manage to build your own program, I think you're going to see a lot of results. You're going to see a lot of results because you'll be able to take accountability of your program. You can change things, you can adjust things. And tomorrow, we'll come back and look at how you can create your own custom exercise. So if you go into heavy, you're like, okay, I want to train, but I can't find this particular exercise, or it's not the way that you want it to be. Like, we're looking at Superman holds, right? Like, let's say, for example, that the heavy's giving you the one that you track by reps. Maybe I want to use one where I track it by time, where I'm just holding the position and timing myself, right? And then I let go. So you can customize that, and you can actually, yeah, create your own custom exercises. And then, yeah, if you've managed to do that, then I think you're good. And then we can look at, like, how to create supersets, and what's the purpose of doing supersets and tracking your PRs. I think with the PRs we've already seen, I've shown you kind of like behind the scenes of how to do your PR, and I'll show you as well, kind of like my own stats with that. And then you can kind of see, and then I think from that point on, you have your workouts, you know how to work out. I think that's really what you want to focus on. And then we can also look at, like, okay, progressive overload. What does that actually look like? What does it mean to progressively overload? How do you know when to increase intensity? How do you know? So that's what we want to talk about, because a lot of people don't know, and they hit a plateau. They're like, I don't know what to do. I've been doing the same thing, but nothing is changing. So you want to know how to continue progressing. We'll show you what the secrets are to get to that next level, where you have a physique where people will be like, yo, are you natural? Right? Like, you want people to be asking you, like, are you natural? Like, what do you do? Like, how did you lose weight? How did you gain so much muscle? Right? Because, I look at myself and I'm like, okay, like, I think a lot of people underestimate what is possible. A lot of people underestimate what is possible when they actually follow a structured program and just follow through, just the discipline, right? And the discipline is just more so like, okay, just follow the program. Even if you don't do every single exercise where you adjust it, and maybe if you miss a day, it doesn't matter. But then when you look at it in a in a in the grand scheme, when you look at it in the grand scheme, like in a maybe a 5-10 year time horizon, you notice that even if you missed a month, it doesn't matter because you've been consistent for the majority of the time. And that's what actually matters when it comes to like fitness and health. It's like majority of the time. Like, have you been following and doing the right things? Do you have the right habits in place for the majority of the time? Because if you miss one day, 1 week, yeah, in a 10-year period, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. You just come back and just keep on going. It doesn't matter, right? But the goal is just keep on going. Just be consistent. And in 5, 10 years, you actually won't recognize who you are. And then you can have like periods where you like put in just so much intensity and just like cover up. And the times that you cover up, you gain so much. You gain so much because you've had the habits in place, you're consistent, and you have the most growth. But you have to be ready for that time. You have to be ready for that window. When that period comes, you have to be ready for it. You have to be ready for it and prepare yourself. Because I tell you, like, your health is the most important thing that you have. Your health is the most important thing that you have. So you want to make sure that you're taking care of your body, working out, taking care of your mind, taking care of your soul, taking care of your health, your food, everything that you eat, everything. It's about having a full life where you thrive and not a mediocre life because God wants us to thrive. God wants us to thrive. So let's keep on pushing. Let's make each other stronger. Let's make each other stronger, push each other, encourage each other, and just keep going and just keep going. Just keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up. Let's go. Let's work out. Let's go. Let's push. Because right now, as I've finished recording this, I feel pumped. I feel hyped. I'm gonna go to the gym after this. And I haven't gone the past 3 days, but I'm gonna go today because I'm hyping myself up as I'm talking about this. I'm hyping myself up and I'm ready. I'm ready to go. So let's go, fam.